Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are iPhone user and iOS 17 beta update not showing on your iPhone, so how to fix this problem. You can see appears on screen. I have also facing this issue. You can see appears on screen. I have no showing iOS 17 beta update here guys. How to fix it guys? First of all, open App Store. Application appears on screen and download this application, Apple Developer. I have already downloaded. I opening this application here guys. Tap on open and wait for some seconds. Simply tap on this option account. Tap on sign in and sign in with Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID here guys. I'm entering. Now tap on sign in, top right corner. Enter the password here and simply tap on sign in, top right corner. Wait for some seconds. Here you can see, simply tap on agree. Here tap on agree. Wait for some seconds guys. If this agreement dashboard not showing on your iPhone, so simply tap on scroll. Now you can see, now here you can see appears on screen. Now close this window simply here and open setting application. Tap on it, scroll down and tap on general. Tap on software update. Here you can see beta updates available. Simply tap on it. You can see now you can select iOS 17 beta update. Here tap on it and here now guys you can sign in with Apple ID for iOS beta updates on your iPhone or next beta updates on your iPhone. You can see appears on screen. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.